Hello guys, I am Shweta and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a brand specific haul video. It's from brand Rain and Rainbow, which I found on Myntra. Honestly, this brand does festive wear so beautifully. All the looks I am sharing today are perfect if you want something festive but still easy to wear, or something which you can wear on repeat beyond only one occasion. I have picked up 6 gorgeous kurta sets from this brand. So let's get started. Okay, first up is this gorgeous mustard yellow color pure cotton anarkali kurta set. The color itself is so fresh and festive, right? It's floral printed and I really like how the anarkali isn't the usual big flare. Instead, it has gentle flare which comes from the pleats just below the yoke. Super flattering if you don't like too much volume. Kurta has classic design with 3/4 sleeves and V neckline. Around the neckline there is this beautiful sequence detail which forms a yoke design. It is shiny but not over the top. Same detailing continues on sleeve edges also, which makes it feel like nicely finished. And then there is this little touch I love. It has nice golden trim run along the front panel, which gives it that soft festive vibe. Now the trousers are super simple in same print, partially elasticated, so super comfortable. Now let's talk about dupatta. It is made in organza fabric and they have picked up the light brown color from the print, so it creates nice contrast. It has same lace trim detailing running around the edges, which completes the look beautifully. I styled this look with same rose gold color earrings. These are simple earrings perfectly matching with the yoke. I added gold bangles. For the footwear, I wore my gold heels, which I recently purchased from Kai. They are super comfortable. You definitely check them out. This is a kind of outfit which you can wear for daytime puja, family get-togethers, even for Diwali card parties. I feel floral sets are perfect when you don't want to look overdressed but still want something festive. Moving on to next one. This time it's in gorgeous teal color. I mean, this color itself screams festive, right? Now, unlike that yellow set which has gentle flare, this one is proper anarkali. It's made in viscose rayon fabric, so it has soft and flowy drape, and the silhouette is all about full circular flare and empire waistline. If you love classic twill movement, this is it. Now the neckline is simple round and sleeves are normal 3/4, but what makes it stand out is the mix of gold and silver tones in this. They have used beautifully silver gotapatti border and gold button in the same set and looks absolutely gorgeous. And they have used contrast pink piping at the hemline, which adds the pop of color to the look. There are these tiny gold buttons at the kurta front, which elevates the whole look and they give it that slightly regal touch. And now wait, look at these sleeves. It has nice multicolored broad border. Looks absolutely stunning, isn't it? Plus kurta has one pocket which adds the functionality points also. Kurta is really long. It is almost ankle length for me with the curved hemline. Now trousers are simple and fully elasticated in the same color, but they have used silver gotapatti jali which is matching with the kurta hemline on this and takes the look to another level. Now look at this beautiful dupatta. It is in organza fabric and in same teal color, and they have given this silver gotapatti jali all over it. Honestly, with this dupatta, this whole set feels really cohesive and festive without being OTT. I styled this look with this gorgeous multicolored jhumkis. I added this simple small bracelet in the hand because These cuffs are really broad and grabbing attention, so we don't need something very big here. For the footwear, I opted for my silver thong style heels and I'm good to go. This set has everything you need in any festive outfit. It has vibrant color, contrast piping, gold buttons, silver gota patti, so you can wear it for any festive occasion. If you are someone who loves classic straight silhouette, this one is for you. This one is red and gold tone printed straight kurta set in silk blend fabric. Because the fabric is silk blend, it has subtle sheen to it and it looks instantly festive ready. Kurta has straight cut with small boat neckline, 3/4 sleeves and straight hem. It is calf length. But what makes it stand out is the stonework detailing below the neckline, which creates this beautiful yoke. Look at this. Isn't it gorgeous? Then there is this gold tone print detailing on the front panel. Actually, these are not panels. It is just the print in front panel design. Same print is carried on sleeve edges and kurta border also. And this print is really very subtle. It gives that handcrafted feel. And the same print detailing is given at the back also. It has nice big ethnic motif at the back and there is this border on the hemline. Now the trousers are plain in same color, comes with one pocket. They have elasticated waistband, so you can be comfortable in it throughout the day. Now the set comes with the silk blend dupatta, which is in same color and it has the same print all over it, which ties in the whole look together beautifully. This kurta has very subtle gold tone print, so when I styled it with gold jewelry, it was overpowering the set. So I decided to style it with silver oxidized jewelry. These jhumkis, these ghungru bangles, and for the footwear, my silver heels. This set is perfect for Karwa Chauth or even for Diwali evening or any festive get-togethers. Moving on to something floral, and honestly I feel no festive wardrobe is complete without one floral set. This one is beige colored floral printed pure cotton kurta set with nice delicate sequence detail which gives it that festive edge. This kurta is relaxed fit. It has A-line shape. It comes with V neckline and classic 3/4 sleeves. It is nice, delicate, flowy silhouette, not proper anarkali, but it has nice, gentle flare, which comes from the pleats below this empire waistline. But what really caught my eye here is its print play. The set uses not one, but 3 different prints in such a clever way. So the base of kurta is this red and blue floral printed. On that they have used this beautiful border along the neckline, down the front, on empire waistline, on front panels, kurta hemline and even on sleeve edges. Then there is third print which is there on the side panels of the kurta. Sleeves are made in same print, which creates subtle mix and match vibe without looking too busy. Now this border detailing is adorned with the subtle sequence detail. It is not fleshy, but it shines when light falls on it. Trousers are kept simple with an off-white base. They are partially elasticated for comfort. They comes with 2 pockets, so they are functional also. They have used the same border detailing on the trousers hem too, so it balances the outfit and creates harmony in the look. This pure cotton super soft dupatta ties in the whole look together beautifully. It has the same print as kurta followed by the border detailing, which feels really cohesive and thoughtful. Now I styled this look with silver oxidized jewelry, these beautiful jhumkis, silver bangles, for the footwear my silver heels, and I'm good to go. This is a super soft pure cotton comfortable look with slight festive edge to it. So you can wear this to work for ethnic days. You can wear this for Durga Pandal visits also. Next up is another paisley printed kurta set, and this one is little more festive because of gotapatti detailing. It's white and red printed pure cotton anarkali set. So while it's festive, it is still comfy and breathable. Kurta has simple V neckline, 3/4 sleeves. It has empire waistline and nice Indian kaliwala flare. It is a long kurta, almost ankle length for me, and it has nice sequence detail running along the neckline down the front till empire waist. This is really a pretty lace work detail which softens the look instantly. Kurta is really long, almost ankle length for me, and each kali is separated by a thin gotapatti, which is such a thoughtful details and adds the festivity to the look. But what I love most is the broad gotapatti detailing on the kurta hemline, which is separated from kurta by red gota band, which creates such a nice contrast. Same is repeated on sleeve edges also, which creates nice balance in the look. Trousers are plain white, elasticated for comfort, and they have given a small gotapatti detail on trousers hem also, which is such a smart move to tie the whole look together. The dupatta is made in pure cotton fabric, which is really soft. It has wide base and delicate print all over, and it is finished with this red gota band, which instantly elevates it. For the styling, to match the print, I paired it with these multicolored jhumkis. I opted for this green bracelet. For the footwear, my gold heels, and I'm good to go. This is super pretty, comfortable, festive look, which is perfect for any daytime event. Finally, we are wrapping up this haul with another straight kurta set, and this one is in this bluish green shade with gold tone print. The fabric is silk blend, so it has subtle sheen on it, which makes it look instantly festive. The kurta has pure cotton lining to it, so it is super comfortable to wear. This kurta has really classic silhouette with straight cut. It is calf length with straight hemline. It has boat neck and 3/4 sleeves. But what makes it stand out is this contrast color ethnic motif print all over. It is one of those sets where the print is placed really thoughtfully. It has this nice yoke design at the front, which is adorned by nice sequence work. Then there is this front panel design with ethnic motif print. Then there are these small buttas all over the kurta. Same on the sleeves, it has the same base as kurta, followed by the same border. Same sleeve border carries on kurta hemline too, which finishes the set beautifully. Now, to balance all this print, they have kept trousers plain and simple. They are partially elasticated and super comfortable to wear. And the dupatta ties in whole look together with complementing print, giving the set finished and coordinated vibe. I styled this gorgeous set with these beautiful green earrings with gold ghungroos, same small bracelet in green color. For the footwear, my Kai heels, and that's it. This set has super festive vibe and it is super comfortable to wear. So if you are hosting someone at your home this festive season, you can opt for this set. And that's it for today's rain and rainbow hauls. 6 gorgeous kurta set. Each set has its own personality. I love how this brand does festive wear. That's elegant yet still super wearable. Whether you are someone who loves flowy anarkalis or playful floral silhouettes or simple classic straight cuts, there is something for every mood. So, which one was your vibe? Tell me in the comments. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And let me know what you want to see next. And I'll see you soon with another styling story. Bye!